Blai pi barok yang pian subhaj pi syatup kubor mentahajan mit shuaban paji kubor ke babnya ini pecuai kemat bokongsan. Yak menringut benun saujur arngut nagajing syaksiat haki pulit ke Asam hamukro. Pensangi penlong yang tamasa Cherry Blossom Festival, pensangi terekam yaki mobile internet ke betasau pragenta haki New League District. Yop yang kisamla yaki sithi tungkam lengbaka Rozgar Mela. Batla penkup buram yaki samla ki bala pendap yaka graduate haka program penkup kerdan Pashupojo ke National Institute of Fashion Technology. Ki kubor ki babnya nringut ki breu bakentup ya wai pulit ke Asam Forest Guard kila yap kat ba arngut pat kila mensaujur nak jisyak siat haki pulit ke Asam haka senang mukro ke badai ke jaka kaput baha papok ke mukayau konstituensi jangka West Jante Hills District. Menteri Rang Bak Mekaliau Konrad ke Sangma ula penlong jengalang bat ki kenhun baper ula penrem jur ya kan ke jingja bat ula ong ba ke sarkar jela kan sekenduk bat menteri ketenat kampo yeng ke sarkar pedeng ban pensengau ya ke jing persyak halor ke jingja ke senang mukro da ke ba ong ru baladap ban IFIR halor kene menteri Rang Bak ula pensyai ba ketu ke jaka balaja kan ke jingja pasngau si kenang hap hapu sam jang ke Mekaliau. Usang ma ulah de penlong jengekran Pak Menteri Rang Bak ke Asam halor kene bat ulah tu ruba Menteri ketenat kampo yeng kejela ba lekmen rumbu lapoi hak senang mukro.
An unfortunate incident occurred at Mukro village in West Jante Hills district where 6 persons have died due to firing by Assam police and Assam forest guards. As per the reports, a truck carrying timber was pursued by the Assam forest guards with the Assam police and was detained by the Assam police and Assam forest guards at Mukro village in West Jante Hills district. On hearing this, people from Mukro village gathered in large numbers and surrounded the Assam police and Assam forest guards. This led to firing by the Assam police, in which 5 persons from Meghalaya died. One Assam forest guard also died due to the fire. The injured persons have been shifted to Boroto PHC and Yalong Civil Hospital.
Kumkadak ban burom ya kitu ki bladu lagajing nagajing syak siat hamukro kesor kerjela kelarai ban musange penlong ya baro kita masa kerjela ke bakentup ya ke Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival. Menteri Rang Bak uluk kubur bahkan dan kejing du nong ha kebedai bat kepisah tengkah dari kejing imbriu kalong ke bakam kongsan. Ha kejuk kepor ke sorkar kelap pensangnya terekam yaki mobile internet ha ki New League District jong kejalan ke bentasau pupra kentah.
But what we have felt as a cabinet is that life of the people are most important to us. We feel the law of the situation is paramount. Maintaining of peace is very important. And hence everything else is secondary for us right now. While we are mourning, it would not be appropriate for us to have festivals and to be celebrating. And though it is a tough decision, and as I said, it will be difficult, many financial losses may be there, but as I said, we respect and we want to ensure that the lives of the people who are lost is paramount, and as I said, the law of the situation is paramount for us.
Menteri Rang Bak du keri Narendra Modi mentakasngi ulasam palat nyepue jar teliki syiti tungkam syaki samla lang ba ke video conferencing haki sausan teliki bentah hakeleng keri ke Rozgar Mela ha Shillong la penlong deka Assam Rifles halat kor Shillong. Ujon Barla ubadai Menteri Kena badai Kemi Ketenat Minority Affairs ulah yadan lang hagane kejingnya lang hasilong bat Menteri Kesorkar Pedeng ulah IT kini kijiti tungkam sya kikatu kat ni kenong tre kibla syak tung temai hagane kenong ba. Haba ajing kran hakas sni kesni Ujon Barla ulah ang ba Kesorkar Pedeng ka ang not bantre nagamenta kisamla jong kari. Katu kat ni kisamla kibayok piang ya kasiti tungkam kila penpau ya kejing kemen bat ai kublai Menteri Rang Ba do kari halor kejing penstet ya kene kejing penrungkam.
रोजगार मेला हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की पहल से है, जिसमें सरकार के 38 मंत्रालय और विभागों में 10 लाख रोजगार प्रदान करने का अभियान जारी है।
Menteri Rang Ba Konrad Sangma nin kasni ula play ka namdong CNRD block nalor ke jingbu maunong rem na kabenta ban kentiu ka health center sya ka community health center ka jing play ka greater Muknang Lumrod water supply scheme bat ka jing penhe ka surok jawana tiang kediap khanduli. Haba ajing kran hakani kasni Menteri Rang Ba Konrad Sangma ula ang ba ka jing dawa na kabenta ka CNRD block batmai ka day ka bala kamslam hakani ka than bat ang ru ba kani ka block batmai kan wan ra shibun ki jing mentoy ki brio jong kani ka than.
In a lot of areas, our people have to travel for 2 hours, 3 hours to reach to the closest block. Because of which, the kind of development that they should get, they are not getting. And hence this government has decided that we will take administration closer to the people. We will ensure that we make accessibility even more possible for our people.
Ka program penkub kerdan basipo jong National Institute of Fashion Technology NIFT Shillong kalalong menta kasngi ha campus jongka. Hakan ka sngi la penkub borom yaki samlag bala pendep yaki graduate na kan ka school ba. Haka jo kapor la samru yaki khusnam yaki samla pule jong ka school ba ki bawan chakmat. UMLA ka mauran keneng uba penyat sing sim ulalong ukong san hakan ka sngi bat haba ajing kren ula kentu yaki samla pule panyai biteng ban tristam kenang ban yai kiyo chaprang haka kam ka ba ki trei.
Dr. Brahmadev Rao Tiwari
Ngasukmen bangan yo ini kalat banwan but yo ban pendep ini ka program ni ka sengi ban ai ki certificates nam ta ki degree course ki prepare ki graduate ki postgraduate ki ba ladep ban pendep ki jingpule haunus nam menta ngangit scam ba kan long kalat ban ple lat iki samla ka yo kam yo jam ling ba ka fashion industry te ngakermen ba ki samla jungi ki badan sab kin wan shakmat ba kin shim ki admission hang ni po nif knang ba kin nang la ban pentebet shu yela de
Mentapat ngini pe ke jinglong jingman ke sundang asalong ke jing shit kalong apawai pun degree Celsius bat ke jing kriat kalong pra.1 degree Celsius ke jing sngem kau hau kalong sapunyo nak ke sispa mestep bat ndri punyo nak sispa janmit ke sundang kan rang terkong. Sesian pat ni penkemai pi baya kene kubor jongi pelaru menpet live ke YouTube channel bat ru pila menpet hai ke kubor ko man lakas ni ha ke Facebook, Twitter bat Instagram jogi news long. Shua menpet cukup kut jong tup kubor ni pet biang sesian ni kemat bakong san. Ya mrengut bat mensau jor angut nak jing syak siat haki pulit ke Assam hamukro. Pensangnya penlong yang Tamasa Cherry Blossom Festival, pensangnya terekam yak mobile internet nak bentah sopra kenta hakinya Teliki District. Yop yang kisamlai ke Siti Tungkam lengba ke Rozgar Mela. Bat la penkup buram yang kisamlai bala pendep yang graduate ke program penkup kerdan Basipo jong National Institute of Fashion Technology. Ti perlok atung le poi cukup kut jong tuk kubor jong im ta ka janmit hadu ni semyang pila syakasni le pi baro.